All right, today doing some work on the 80. A lot of work. So I've completely gutted the interior. It does have a rust spot that I'm addressing, and a few other like surface rust spots that I'll just be painting over. I wire wheeled it yesterday. I'm also installing new seats or new front seats anyways, and I got a completely new carpet set. None of it has arrived. FedEx has been trying and failing to deliver it, I guess. But like stuff like this will get painted over. I wire wheeled the rust off. This is a captive nut. You can see it's not there anymore, and then the other side's not much better. So I'll be welding replacements in for those, and cleaning all this up, getting some more insulation and carpet, and continuing on the interior refresh. All right, patch is in place. Did 1, 2, and then a third patch here to kind of continue the structural thing. This is kind of sloppy, but it works. Next step is pour 15, and then hopefully my new seats will arrive today. I can bolt those in, make sure they all fit. But yeah, just prepping for pour 15, cleaning everything up right now. And hopefully next time you see it, I'll be prepping the new carpet and insulation for install. Insulation for installation. How about that?
It's been a while since we've done an update on anything. We've been a little bit busy on other stuff, but today we're working on Jack's Mallcrawler 80. And so what we got going on right now is we got a whole new carpet set for it that's molded. All we got to do now, which would have been convenient if they had cut all the holes out for us, but that's not too hard. We had to cut the holes out for mounting seats and whatnot. And Jack did also get two new front seats. What are the seats you got? The
Corbeau's, I don't know, sports or whatever.
Yeah, I think I've seen these on a lot of other Land Cruisers as well. But he sat in them, drove around the 80 for a while. He seems to like them. They seem pretty nice and comfortable, and better than what he had before, which are the original. And then, so the carpet kit came with a piece for the front, a piece for the rear, 2 pieces that go over the rear tire wells, as long as this piece right here that goes on the GoPro shut off on me, but this piece as well that goes on the rear tailgate. There's like a little cover that goes on there, and that's also included in the carpet kit. So what we're gonna do now is get the old carpet kit, put it on top of here, so we have like a template to know where all the holes go, and we'll cut all the holes on the new carpet, and then we'll get it installed. So along with the carpet, Jack went along and got some insulation. It's an insulation kit. That was additional kit that was separate from the carpet. And then he also did get some other stuff from Summit that he said was slightly cheaper.
It was slightly cheaper,
But it's more like a roll.
It's just a different material,
Yeah.
Same idea.
Same stuff, but you have to kind of cut it a little bit to form it to see, like these are already cut to shape, and this is just like a roll of insulation. I definitely need to get this. I definitely need to get this for the mini truck for sure. The 60 already had. I used the existing insulation. On the mini truck, I bought some cheap aluminum insulation that's gonna trap water for sure. This will help like let it breathe, but this is nice. I like this. So here's a first look at the sweet new interior installed in the 80, or semi-installed. It's coming out pretty good. Since it is kind of cold out here, we kind of cooked the inside of the 80. Had the heater going on to kind of heat up the carpet, and just a little bit easier to get it in place. You can see here the swole. I guess let me go back. Here the seats are installed. Pretty comfortable. Looks good. And then here's the back part of the carpet. You can see how it molds real nice to the floor of the 80. And then we're working on that rear corner, but I guess here you can kind of see how the carpet fits perfect right in between the tire wells, and I think it's actually a pretty good I think it turned out really good, and now the truck smells a lot better. Almost smells like a new vehicle. Now we're just giving these panels a little clean since everything else is brand new. That might as well at least clean these up so it doesn't stand out too bad with all the new carpet.
All across Beth. Ready for the Galleria.
And we got my mall crawler over here, putting it to work. And look at that heavy load it's carrying. I'll talk about what's in these boxes later. It's not for the vehicles, but yeah. Still haven't washed it. Need to wash it maybe this weekend. We also got some new, I guess, panel clips. Here are the old ones, and a lot of these, since they're so old and brittle, they're breaking, so it's kind of a good idea to buy those so we can replace them and to keep installing the panels. So the back is now done. Got all the trim pieces back in. Looks super good, way better than before. Probably should have done it before, but here's the after.
That's kind of a insulation in there.
Maybe.
Oh, but not with the shitty carpet.
Yeah. And all that's left is just to finish up trimming the carpet in front so we can install the panels that go around the shifter and the brake. And then I think the plan is replacing the center console with a Tuffy toolbox, or Tuffy center console, which is like on back order until February. We'll have to wait on that.